Hi guys, welcome to Kitchen Romance, brought to you by Married with a Life. My name is Peace. If you are new to this channel, please like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Married with a Life. If you are single, you can also follow our singles ministry on Facebook and on YouTube, Single with a Life. I've got a 2-in-1 YouTube channel in my name, Peace Amewowor. This channel actually has all the videos that I've done with our singles and our couples on that channel, which will really help you to catch up with all our videos quickly. If you're a young couple, we also have marriage preparation classes that we host for our singles and our young couples on Zoom. You can find out more about that on our Facebook page, Turning Point Coaching Services. If you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp to register for any of our modules, my number is 0044 7506 009931. I'm going to be cooking potatoes with minced meat. I don't have a name for it, so maybe after watching this video you can give me a suggestion what name you think best suits this recipe. I have my minced meat, tomatoes, red bell peppers, onions, garden peas and potatoes. So this is the shape that I want. Red pepper. I needed to change direction so that you can see this properly. Okay, so this is the shape that I want. I'm going to take out the seeds. So literally just use a knife to get it out. Yeah, so I want it in a ring shape. I'm going to do the same with the tomatoes. You can choose to leave the seeds, but I'm not going to, so I'll take them out and I'll use the knife again. Okay, so that's it. I did change plans for the tomatoes. Initially I wanted it to be round, but I've had to cut them. I will start off with my olive oil. I will allow it to heat up a bit. This is parsley. This is a little bit of oregano left. I'll add my black peppercorns. I'll just crush a little bit in there. This will now be allowed to brown a bit without burning it. Okay, it's time to add my onions. Garden peas. At this point, you can add salt if you want. I normally leave salt to the end. I'll add the rest of my spices. So I've got ground ginger, I've got garlic, chili powder, just a little bit, beef stock cube, and it's by No. They have different types. This one has no salt, and actually the nutritional value, they put it all there in green. It's a little bit expensive, but it's worth it if you think about your health. So this is an alternative you can use instead of Maggi cube, because apparently Maggi cube has MSG in it. This one does not have any MSG. If you want to know what MSG is, go and search online. This is literally the main spice, because the rest of the spices I use, they don't really have taste that much. With the way I cook, it's not really more about taste, for having the healthy stuff. So you can use your favorite spices that will give you the taste that you want. I have sprinkled a little bit of salt and black peppercorns on the potatoes. I've also got cheese and 3 eggs with milk. I've coated the oven tray with a little bit of the cheese. I will now arrange the potatoes like that. My minced meat, red bell peppers. I have added all the tomatoes at this point. Now let's use the rest of the red pepper. The egg is very important because that is what will do the work. It's literally going to hold everything together. Finally, I will sprinkle cheese on top of this. Again, the cheese is just optional. Okay, this is now out of the oven. Let's check on it. Awesome. If you want to be sure that the egg is cooked, you can tilt it, and then if there is no water coming out, then you know it's done. Go in the direction of the red pepper. The 2 things you have to check to make sure that this food is ready is the potatoes needs to be cooked, and then the egg also needs to be well cooked. You can see the cheese. You can also see the red peppers. If you like this video, please share it on your timeline. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're watching from Facebook, please like our Facebook page and leave a comment. Let me know what you like about this video. See you in my next video.